Hello, I'm Samuel Griffin. I'm one of the 4 regional sales managers for Logic Manufacturing, and I'm here today to introduce you to our LDS240T land drive fertiliser spinner. Now, we reintroduced the LDS120T last year back onto our product range. We've been without it for a few years. We've now gone up a size model to the 240 litre capacity hopper. It shares all the same build as the LDS120, so we've got at the front end here our good old Logic swivel hitch. It allows the machine to articulate, particularly when you're working on terrain like we've got behind us here and you're spreading fertiliser on your grassland, small paddocks, steep hillsides. Good, strong, solid galvanised chassis in there. Stainless steel backing plate behind the aluminium disc with flights, fully adjustable flights on here, so you can adjust those to suit product going through, spread widths that are desired, and forward speed. Good quality wheels and tyres that we use on all our products, beadlock rims, good solid tyres, very good puncture resistance with those. It's a rotational moulded hopper, translucent, so you can actually see your product levels within inside the hopper there. And as with the 120 machine, it comes with its own lid, so you can keep everything dry if you're out and anything starts raining, the moisture in the air stops it sucking in any moisture into any products that you have in there then. You've got the spreading disc on the rear here. You've got your aluminium flights. You can adjust the simple nut and bolt to various different angles to suit, as I said, the product you're going to spread and the spread widths you want to achieve. Other things to note, you've got very simple grease points on the drive axle here, easy to maintain. Gearbox is sealed for life, and it's just one of those good, solid Logic products which is really simple to use. Inside the hopper here, we've got a very substantial agitation system in the base of the machine, so you're not going to get any blockages or any product building up in the base of the hopper. Another great feature with this machine is the telescopic handle on here. You can just simply turn the turnbuckle, it telescopics in and out, so when you're sat on a quad bike or the towing vehicle, you can just reach behind you to put this in and out of spread, open and close the aperture at the bottom of the hopper quite easily from the comfort of the ATV seat. So it's very easy to operate with this machine. You can simply calibrate it to the type of product, the application rate you want. You can set the slide dial, and then with this simple Bowden cable that operates the open and close, it will come up against where you've set it to allow the correct flow rate for your application rate per square kilograms per square metre on the ground with what you're spreading. To engage the machine in and out of drive, you've very simply got a manual lever here that you push forward, lock over, and it locks the bobbin on the rear to take up the drive to the gearbox. And then it's all down to the operator driving at the correct tramline widths, distance apart for the spread widths that you desire, and the correct forward speed. If you want any further information, please do not hesitate to contact myself or any of my sales colleagues here at Logic. We'd be happy to help you out. We can put you in the direction of a good dealer who will look after you. Have a look on our website, which is logictoday.co.uk, or pick up the phone, speak to anybody on the sales team, and we'll be happy to help you out.